I am Professor Sanjay Hiremath. As I told you, I have started my series of videos on YouTube related to science. I am going to unravel so many mysteries of science. These questions which are directly concerned with your UPSC, MPSC and other competitive exams. Therefore, please listen it carefully. Today, I am going to give you the clear picture of correlation between atmospheric pressure, altitude and the boiling point of water. Just listen it carefully. The correlation between atmospheric pressure, altitude and boiling point of water, that I am going to explain. As altitude increases, the atmospheric pressure decreases. Just listen it carefully. As altitude increases, the atmospheric pressure decreases. At the sea level, the altitude is treated as zero. Understood? And as you go higher and higher up, the altitude goes on increases. It means that from the sea level, if you start walking on the mountains, you are going on the higher ups. As you suppose you are walking from the sea level to the Mount Everest. As you go up and up, the atmospheric pressure decreases, like the correlation between these two entities. And as the atmospheric pressure and the boiling point, when you correlate, that time the relationship between these two entities is like this. Atmospheric pressure and boiling point are directly correlated, directly proportional. It means that as the atmospheric pressure increases, boiling point also increases. As the atmospheric pressure decreases, boiling point also decreases. Got it? Once again, I am going to give you the answer of these three entities, the correlation between atmospheric pressure, altitude and the boiling point. Atmospheric pressure and the altitude are inversely related. It means that if the altitude increases, atmospheric pressure decreases. If the altitude decreases, atmospheric pressure increases. And the correlationship between boiling point and the atmospheric pressure, that I told you. Boiling point and atmospheric pressure are directly correlated. As the atmospheric pressure increases, boiling point also increases. As the atmospheric pressure decreases, boiling point also decreases. It means if you are on the seashore and if you start boiling the water, that time water will start boiling exactly at 100 degrees Celsius. At 100 degrees Celsius. And if you start walking from the mean sea level towards the Mount Everest, and suppose you reach the peak, you reach the summit, that is 8,848 meters from the mean sea level. If you start boiling the water on the Mount Everest, that time water will start boiling at 73 degrees Celsius or at 163 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? Till then, even tomorrow I am going to put my video on different subjects of science. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.